Hello and welcome to deployment instruction video about AKImageBrowser. AKImageBrowser is a small solution I made for a bit more convenient viewing of images that you have in some web folder. It is shared on GitHub. The address is visible on the screen right now. I will put the address also in the description of this vid. The repository on GitHub contains all the instructions, what it does, how to deploy it, and some example gallery right there. And right now I'll just quick walk you through how to install it. So basically, when you have some images in the web folder, you cannot view them efficiently, and you just have to sort of browse through them one by one. And this is quite troublesome. So AKImageBrowser is for situations like this, to be able to view these example images in a bit more convenient way, in a bit more like gallery way. So what you do is you have to take the solution, the AKImageBrowser, and copy it to the folder containing the images. The folder on the right is the folder that contains these images that I presented a moment ago. On the left we have all the files for AKImageBrowser, and I will copy it to the folder on the right. So I have copied the files, and now I am ready to view this folder in a different way using AKImageBrowser solution. So I just refresh the site, and there you go. It will load. It will not work very fast right now because I have a slow connection, but anyways, it's now we can view all these images in a sort of gallery way, and you can see also the image, the title, and the date of modification of the file. You can view different images. I will walk you through the features that this gallery has. So of course you can view the image, and you can go to the next image and next image. These images are actually the same, but you can click on the arrows. You can use arrows on your keyboard. It will work as well. In the bottom you see the title of the pic. So it also supports paging. If you have many images, you can choose how many of them you want to display on one side. You can quickly go to different pages and in a bit more convenient way browse through bigger amount of images. It also has quite nice features. In options you have few of them. So you can define the size of the image that you want to use. If you want them to be smaller, make them smaller. If you want them to be bigger, make them bigger. You can define if you want to see the file change times, the file names. Without them you probably can see more pictures on one screen. It depends on you. You can define below which size of picture these text will actually hide automatically. Auto refreshing of gallery is actually quite convenient. For example, if you use this is here example from some camera. If you use some camera that uploads pictures to some folder periodically, you can also mark this function, which will auto refresh the gallery every seconds, that you can define here. And here you can define what file types these gallery actually read from the folder. So right now it actually reads four kinds of files: is JPGs, GIFs, and PNGs, and also empty file types, because some images don't have the type specified. And there you go. So it's quite efficient way to view images, and it's very light. So how it works is actually PHP file reader, and it's wrapped up with some simple Angular user interface. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Take care.